Hello. We are playing Minecraft. Happy crimps, by the way. Mappy crimps, I'm sorry. Um, so this is the world that I did, like, maybe 30 seconds ago, but then it was a horrible spawn. Then I paused the video on my computer, but not on this. And we can't have that. So, yeah, we're starting over again. Okay. So I have a proper mic, new headphones, so technically I still need to do this for the webcam, like the face cam thing, but I don't need the audio from it anymore, so that's pretty cool. I'm really hoping this is going to turn out okay. Oh, this is much better. So I just need to check how off is this. I'd like to say by a second. Yeah, by a second. Almost exactly. Alright, I don't need you no more. Yeah, we're not getting that one yet. Now that I think about it, I really should be recording this audio in like a separate thing, but that would be lame, so we're not going to. I am, in the interest of being able to be audible, going to turn master volume down. See, I'm not gonna know if this actually fixed anything or if there was even an issue in the first place until I'm editing this. Editing. Uh, Literally, all I'm probably gonna do is just put this on top of this and then call it a day. I don't know why I did that. That's like not what I meant. This looks like a normal tree. I hope I'm not being dumb and it's actually not a normal tree, because that'd suck. I don't understand what's going on here, and frankly, I don't like it. You don't like anything? Yeah, that was just Snowball, but in a higher pitch. That was not what I had intended. Minecraft, am I right? I'm gonna try to actually cut this down for once into a less boring episode. The mic is actually like right here. This is a pop shield. I think that's what it's called. Probably couldn't even hear that. Of course you could. What am I talking about? I don't know how microphones work. I took a whole course on music production last semester. No, 2 semesters ago. Because last semester is now my first semester of high school, because it's Christmas break now. So not last semester, semester before that. Last semester of middle school, I should have said. I took a course on survey and music production. That's what it was called, survey and music production. We learned about microphones, but you know, it was a pretty slow class, kind of. No, it wasn't. Not in that way, at least. There were some pretty intelligent people in there, not including myself and my friends. Okay, maybe. I don't know at this point. I'm just trying to make conversation with the two people who are going to watch this. If anybody. Okay, now we can break trees faster. I am getting a lot of wood for no specific reason. I'm gonna go get some stuff that I can actually use. Like, I can actually use wood. Like, don't get me wrong there, but, like, I want not wood. Here's some stone right here, but, like, it's also a lot of granite, so I'm a little afraid I'm gonna run into some not stone. How many? Okay, that's enough for a furnace. Okie dokie. Ooh, flowers. We can get some of these. That reminds me. I have some people I gotta say mappy crimps to. Nobody shall be unmappy crimpsed. This is a large forest. I do not want to be here. Ouch. You know, I'm starting to think I should have done a bonus chest or something. Maybe I at least would have gotten some food. How does water give me a recipe for boats? Wouldn't that be wood? Maybe a shovel? No, it's water. I mean, I guess it kind of makes sense because, like, you need a boat to efficiently travel through the water. However, I don't know where I was going with that, actually. Forget I said anything about it. I'm gonna do that. Oh my goodness. Can you stop? Please, stop it. How did I get a recipe from a chest from moving cobblestone, flowers, and saplings? Now that I do not understand at all. Like, that doesn't make sense. Unless it's something in my inventory else that it's just like forgot I had. Perhaps, I don't know, wood. Okay, now we can get this coal. I don't know about y'all, but I like coal. Coal is fun. It lets you cook things and smelt things and set things on fire. If you are in real life, of course. But no, this is Minecraft, so you can cook things and smelt things and make blocks out of it. I don't know. What else can you use coal for? Besides those two things. That doesn't feel or sound like it was very clean. I guess I'll find out eventually. Okay, we have our first cave. Ow. Torch time. Why'd you do that? Yeah, I don't think I'd want to go down here yet. Sorry. Oh, hello. Ow. Okay, I am leaving. Okay. That's fair. I have no idea where I was, so that is lost now, forever. Goodbye. What do you want, Facebook? Why do I uninstalled Facebook? No, I didn't. I deactivated it. You can't uninstall Facebook for whatever reason. I deactivated it because, you know, I don't use Facebook. And then I'm like, you know, maybe I should reinstall it just so I could, like, keep updated with the family, you know? And, like, that's cool and all, but it thinks I care about literally the smallest things that are happening. Centered around me, by the way. Like, I set up this page for 3 idiots in a band, which isn't even a thing anymore, because it's been almost a year since we released a proper album, I think. I have no idea, if I'm being completely honest with you. Anyway, set up a page for that. It's like, oh no, you're not getting any views anymore because it's been almost a year since you've touched it. It's like, yeah, okay, I don't care. I'm trying to write, music or watch YouTube of some sort. That didn't make sense. Hey, I'm trying to watch Mark Rober prank Porch Pirates, or I'm trying to watch Poofsher, however you pronounce his name, yell at various me's because they all want new hats. Hey, buddy, would you mind staying there for a minute? Hey, what did I just say? Hey, come back. Don't go anywhere, sheep. Or I swear, I am going to. Well, I was gonna anyway, but you know, now that you're farther away, I actually want to. Bye-bye, ocean. And the dinosaurs are gone. I have no idea how that goes. Shh. No. Why? The sun is a deadly laser. Okay. Not anymore, there's a blanket. I don't care, Mel. I don't care, Mel. I need friends. I heard a zombie. Where are you? So I can kill you. Oh, that's a skeleton sound. Yeah, I did not think this through very well. I didn't think this through at all. What am I talking about? Maybe I shouldn't have died, and maybe I would have still had things. Like, I had coal. Like, if you have coal, you're basically set. Dumb idiot. Didn't even climb the trees. Wow, already 13 minutes. Yes. Interesting. I was gonna ask a question, but then, like, I realized nobody watches these, so what would be the point, you know? Like, okay, maybe 1 or 2 people watch a video every 3.5 weeks, but, like, you know, strictly speaking, nobody watches these. Like, I still do this because, you know, it's fun, I like it, but, like, no one, I don't have an audience. I have 0. I have 22 subscribers, but, like, you know, that's practically nothing. Hello, Mo. Like, when a small channel is considered as having 10,000 subscribers, I don't exist, basically. It's just the reality. That is not a sound that I enjoy. I'm going to die again. That is what is going to happen. It is unfortunate. I have decided that I am not going to cut this down because 14 minutes, maybe a little longer. That wouldn't leave much. And besides, I am a very impatient person, especially with my own work, so... Yeah, why am I doing this? Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I need to eat my mutton. That did absolutely nothing. Okay. That's absolutely wonderful. Oh, no. That is not good. This is not good. I think... Mo, I don't have time right now. I'm trying to die slowly. Or, I guess, postpone my... Oh, there you are. Huh? 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 I gotta at least try. Oh, no. I don't have time for this! Okay. Yeah, no, I'm dead. I am dead in the ground right now. This second. It's just inevitable. It's gonna happen. Just shoot me. Thank you. Alright. That's it. For now. I gotta end this now. Bye-bye.